Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool mono rotary desk telephone. This is Richard's equipment from New Jersey. This unit is in very good condition. This is the initial checkout, and we're going to kind of run through a little bit about what's going on. And of course it's in the Art Deco style. He has his rings on his handset. That's really cool. And then we'll do some still pictures of the telephone so that you can kind of get a look at it. Now we want to do a dial center card, something to the period of the telephone. We also want to install a modular port adapter on the end of the original line cord. Now we're going to troubleshoot this line cord, and if it's in good condition, we'll install that adapter, and then Richard will simply be able to walk up to any modern jack and plug the unit right in. Now we want to go through the handset cord, the transmit, the receive. We want to go through the rotary. We want to make sure that that's cleaned, oiled, and adjusted. We want to go through the bell circuit, and our network. So we want to go through the entire telephone, and we want to make sure everything is working properly and all of our connections are good. And we'll be getting into that work right now. We want to get a start on this unit, and then we'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the repair and conversion of this really cool monophone. So we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we're in the middle of the process of repairing and converting this really cool monophone, and I wanted to give a look at what these units look like on the inside. And I also want to point out that we have an original schematic, and on these monophones they would kind of glue in one side of the schematic, and this kind of gives you a look at it. That's really cool that we have the original schematic to this telephone, because this unit is in really good condition for its age. Now we're going to go ahead and get a start on our unit here. We also want to go through the hook switch. We want to make sure that that is clean and working properly, and both of our blocks. We want to check everything, our network, our bell and bell circuit, and we're going to be starting on our rotary. We want to make sure that that's cleaned, oiled, and adjusted, and that the numbers are racking off properly. So we're going to get a start on this unit. We'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the repair and conversion of this really cool monophone. We'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we're in the middle of the process of repairing and converting this monophone, and we're working on the handset right now. We want to make sure that all of our connections at our transmitter and at our receiver are both cleaned and everything is tight. We also want to clean our connections at our transmitter and our receiver, and we've already troubleshooted our handset cord, and that's in good condition. Now we've installed our modular port adapter for our line cord, so this telephone can simply be plugged into any modern jack, and it makes for a simple, easy plug and play connection. We're going to go ahead and finish this work up, and then we'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the repair and conversion of this really cool monophone. We'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we are finished up with the repair and conversion of this really cool monophone, and we want to go ahead and start our final checkout. I also want to mention that we added a dial center card. Richard wanted a dial center card that was to the period of the telephone and Art Deco style, and we'll go ahead and do a still picture of that. Now we also want to mention our amplified pickup. We use this in troubleshooting, repairing, and on our final checkout. It's amplified so that you can hear the audio from a receiver on our final checkout. Now what we want to do is we want to go ahead and use the analyzer, and we'll ring the unit. We're going to let that go a few times. I'll let it go one more time. We'll give you some dial tone. We're going to walk through our numbers. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. We have a nice smooth return. I'm going to end in a 2. Now I want to transmit into the handset. If you watch that red light on the analyzer, every time you see that red light light up, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. Now that we know that this unit is ringing in on a ring cycle, it's dialing out, we have transmit and receive. We can push this button on the switch box. That gives us a line out, totally takes the analyzer out of the situation, and we can call a time and temp number. Now I do want to mention that the older telephones will pull more voltage out of the line. So as long as your telephone line is within standards and has the right voltage on the line, you should not have a problem using these units. They will pull a little more rent out of the line on a ring cycle. Now on our amplified pickup that we mentioned, if you hear any kind of hum, that's normal. It's an amplifier, and some nights or some days you'll have more noise in the atmosphere than others, and you may hear a little bit of a hum. That will be the amplifier. I can activate it right now, and it sounds like an open mic, so that's normal. It has nothing to do with the telephone. We'll go ahead and give you some dial tone, and we'll call that number.
Good evening. Today is Monday, February 22nd. The time is 11:11. Current temperature 39 degrees. Now the weather forecast for the Belleville area.
Mostly cloudy today, then becoming partly sunny, highs around 50. Partly cloudy this evening, lows in the mid-30s. Partly sunny Tuesday, then becoming mostly cloudy, a chance of rain, highs around 50.
We can go ahead and hang up, give you some dial tone. We'll call my number and it'll be busy. Hang our unit up. Now that we know that this really cool monophone has been repaired and converted, we can return it to Richard and he can enjoy this Art Deco style rotary telephone. I'm sure it's going to look great no matter where he uses it. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching and have a great day.